We introduce a dedicated JetMenu's page for full-site editing themes. As there is no classic appearance menus interface, it can make using JetMenu, especially Mega Menu, more difficult. Now the JetMenu page provides a clear, classic interface for menu control, which makes the usage of the Mega Menu accessible for the block themes users. In this video, I'll show you how to use a block theme to create a menu, add it to your header, and style it to match your site. Let's start with the top. Here you'll find a convenient menu control panel. Menu dropdown lets you select an existing menu to add it. Create a new menu allows you to quickly create a menu, and the delete menu removes the currently selected menu. On the left, you'll find the panel for adding menu items like custom links, pages, posts, pop-ups, and taxonomies. On the right, you can manage the menu structure, add and edit menu items, as well as child ones. Each menu item comes with the same intuitive settings, allowing you to customize it with ease. A label defines the menu item text, which you can edit anytime to better match your navigation structure. URL specifies the links for the item and is editable for custom links, giving you full control over where it leads. Item settings opens the settings pop-up where you can configure advanced options like mega content, item icon, badge, some advanced options, and dynamic visibility. I'll come back to this new feature later in the video and explain it in more detail. Both menu items and the nested ones can have mega content, and for that, simply click the Item Settings button. Enable the Use Mega Content toggle. Then you will be able to choose the mega content type and click the Open Editor button to set the mega content. And by the way, we have a detailed video tutorial on how to build a mega menu like a pro available on our channel, so make sure to check it out. Now let's add a menu to the header. You can do this through WordPress dashboard, appearance, editor, patterns, header. Here you can choose the header you want to edit or create a new one by clicking the Add Pattern button. Since it's a default WordPress editor, just add a mega menu block and select the needed menu. You can also customize and style the mega menu block right here with JetMenu 3.0. It gives you full control over its layout, design, and overall look to match your website perfectly. And this is how the header looks on the front end.